In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to mobile view in Lovable. Whether you're refining your user interface or just ensuring your project looks perfect on mobile devices, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up Lovable and get yourself to the main dashboard. From here, your starting point will be clicking on the All Projects tab. This is usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. A quick click there will bring up a list of all the projects you're currently managing or are a part of. This list can be long if you have multiple projects lined up, so make sure you know which project you're looking for. Next, you'll need to select the project you want to view in mobile format. This can be done by simply clicking on the project title or thumbnail. As soon as you do this, the platform will begin loading the project's content. Keep in mind that the loading time may vary depending on the size of your project files and your internet speed, so a bit of patience might be needed here. Grab a quick sip of your coffee, and before you know it, the project will be ready. Now comes the key step, transforming your current view into a mobile-friendly one. At the very top of the interface, you'll notice a few icons. You want to look out for the one that resembles a mobile device. It's usually easy to spot, designed to mimic the outline of a smartphone. Click on this mobile icon, and just like magic, the view will switch from the desktop perspective to that of a mobile device. Emulating the mobile view is particularly crucial as it helps you see your project the way users would experience it on their smartphones or tablets. This step is invaluable in catching any adjustments you might need to make, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics are spot on for smaller screens. If at any point you want to switch back to the desktop view, you'll just need to click the icon again. And there you have it, a seamless transition into mobile view using Lovable. If you encounter any issues, double check to see if your project has fully loaded or make sure you've selected the correct project. Keeping your workflow smooth involves ensuring every piece of content is optimized for all devices, and with these steps, you're well on your way. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it simple and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.